Best Small Sports Sedans for 2024-2023 Audi RS7. In the fiercely competitive market of small sports sedans, the 2023 Audi RS7 stands out as a remarkable blend of performance, luxury, and cutting-edge technology. As part of Audi's esteemed RS lineup, the RS7 is designed to deliver an exhilarating driving experience while maintaining the brand's signature sophistication and comfort. At the heart of the 2023 Audi RS7 is a powerful 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, producing a staggering 591 horsepower and 590 lb-ft of torque. This engine is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and Audi's renowned Quattro all-wheel drive system, which ensures optimal traction and stability in all driving conditions. The RS7 rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds, showcasing its impressive capability and making it one of the fastest sedans in its class. However, the RS7's appeal extends beyond raw speed. Audi's engineers have meticulously tuned the suspension, chassis, and steering to offer a balance of comfort and performance. The standard adaptive air suspension and dynamic all-wheel steering enhance handling precision and ride comfort, allowing the RS7 to adeptly navigate sharp corners and provide a smooth, composed ride on long journeys. The car's advanced aerodynamics and lightweight construction further contribute to its dynamic performance and fuel efficiency. The exterior design of the 2023 Audi RS7 is both aggressive and elegant. Its sleek, coupe-like silhouette is accentuated by sharp lines, a bold single-frame grille, and matrix-design LED headlights. The sporty character is further emphasized by 21-inch alloy wheels, large air intakes, and signature RS-specific design elements, which all contribute to its commanding presence on the road. Inside, the RS7 offers a luxurious and technologically advanced environment. Premium materials such as Valcona leather upholstery, carbon fiber trim, and ambient lighting create a refined atmosphere. The advanced MMI touch response system, featuring dual touchscreens, a digital instrument cluster, and a premium Bang & Olufsen sound system, provides seamless connectivity and entertainment. Performance-oriented features like sports seats and a flat-bottom steering wheel enhance the driver's connection to the car. Safety and driver assistance features in the 2023 Audi RS7 are comprehensive. The sedan comes equipped with a suite of advanced safety technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a night vision assistant, ensuring both peace of mind and enhanced driving confidence. In conclusion, the 2023 Audi RS7 redefines the standards for performance and luxury in the small sports sedan segment. With its powerful engine, agile handling, and upscale amenities, the RS7 offers a driving experience that is both exhilarating and refined. Whether cruising on the highway or navigating winding roads, the RS7 promises an unforgettable journey for drivers and passengers alike.